So approvals, well, approvals are pretty straightforward. And I guess because I mentioned earlier that we built this business in the offshore industry, so as you can see, we naturally have an ABS and a DMV type approval there. But certainly for Canada, which is absolutely critical, and we had to go through a number of hoops to get these CRNs. But as you can see there, we have CRNs Canada-wide. So there, I don't believe, and Don, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think we have one for every single province within Canada.
Every single province and every territory, Phil. So a couple of points, because we've had a few questions around QC and around data collection. And one, all the CRNs are registered to Innovator's quality programs across the country. So we started by getting TSSA approval, was actually our first jurisdiction, and then we followed with ABSA registration, and then generally the other 5 jurisdictions that cover all the other provinces and territories followed suit. The big thing, it took us about I think 6 years to get CRNs. Not because of any engineering challenges, but just the jurisdictions just didn't understand how this worked. And so we finally got to a place where we did proof testing on all of our applications. We used UG 101 proof testing and did destructive to failure tests on all the connections. And that was really important because it established the protocol, not just for getting our initial catalog of fittings registered, but it also established an acceptable protocol so that anytime we ever wish to register more designs and more materials, it's a seamless process now. All the jurisdictions know exactly how we're going to submit, and it streamlines the process to be very quickly. From a QC standpoint, because we're not just getting a CRN, they're registered under our quality program, we will develop an entire turnover package for you. So the same way that you would have a turnover package for a hot tap or a leak repair fitting, or for any welded connection, we will develop an ITP under our program. We will provide the CRNs, the MTRs, all the technician qualifications, the entire process. And when we're done with a connection, you get a full tie point turnover package that is registered in the jurisdiction that those fittings are installed in. So no different than any other tie point that you would do with traditional methods.